Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can add a password to Google Wallet. So let's jump right in. To do this, first open your phone settings and look for Apps, then tap to open it. Now, look for the App Lock option. This App Lock is built in on some devices, but it can be different depending on the phone brand. If you don't see App Lock on your phone, you'll need to download a specific app locker from the Play Store to protect your apps. But in my case, I already have it. So now, let's tap on App Lock, and it'll show you a list of all the available apps installed on your device. Look for Google Wallet, or just search for it manually using the search bar. Once you find it, toggle it on, and that's it. The protection is now enabled. Keep in mind, the app will be locked using the same password or PIN you use for your phone's lock screen. You can also choose to use your fingerprint to unlock it, which makes it quicker and just as secure. Now let's see if that worked. Let's just open our wallet app, and as you can see, I'm not able to open it without a password. It's asking me to enter the password, just like we wanted.